whether it is construction, renovation, or daily maintenance. CF CRH004 cordless rotary hammer is your trusted assistant. So when you hold it, it's super comfortable, and even if you use it for a long time, you won't get tired. This hammer is equipped with a high power motor, which enables faster work output and significantly improves work efficiency. A super handy and comfy pro tool. Equipped with high power motor, the working speed is faster and the working efficiency is significantly. The motor has a joule count of 3.8J and is powerful. The motor speed is 0-950 RPM. The rubber coated handle has a shock absorbing function. There's a 360-degree rotating helper handle. It makes it a breeze to work at all kinds of angles. The strong, light LED auxiliary light. The leak-proof oil cover is designed to facilitate the addition of lubricating oil and prolong the service life of the tool. Steel drill bushing firmly fix the drill bit. Not easy to drop the drill. It can work as both a rotary hammer and a demolition hammer, so it's really flexible for different jobs.